How to register a financial cooperative credit union in Cameroon from your family meeting or Njangi group. Step-by-step procedures and timelines. Registering a financial cooperative credit union in Cameroon involves a two-step process. First, registering with the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development in bracket MINADER, and then registering with the Cameroon Cooperative Credit Union League CAMCCUL. Below are a detailed step-by-step guide with estimated timelines. Step 1. Registering a financial cooperative credit union with MINADER. Number 1. Hold a founding general assembly. This usually takes between 1 and 2 weeks. Purpose. Formally decide to create a cooperative credit union from your Njangi group or family meeting. Actions. Gather at least 7 founding members. Elect a board of directors in bracket president, secretary, treasurer, etc. Record the minutes of the meeting, including the decision to form a cooperative and the election of officials. 2. Draft legal documents 1 to 2 weeks. Purpose. Prepare the fundamental documents of the credit union. Documents. Articles of Association. This outlines the cooperative's name, objectives, headquarters, governance structure, and roles of the board. Bylaws. These define membership criteria, savings and loan policies, voting rights, and operational procedures. Business plan details how the cooperative will generate income, including loan structures, savings products, and financial sustainability. Estimated cost. Contact us at HR and Systems Limited for a quotation on this. We can assist you with the entire process. Call or WhatsApp +237 67787 5662. Number 3. Submit the registration application to MINADER 1 to 2 weeks. Purpose. Legally register the cooperative credit union. Required documents. Application letter addressed to MINADER. Minutes of the founding General Assembly. Articles of Association and bylaws signed by founding members. List of founding members with identification details. Board of Directors details. Evidence of capital contribution in brackets initial capital. Criminal record certificates for key officials including president, treasurer, secretary, etc. Where to submit? Submit your documents to the regional or divisional delegation of MINADER responsible for cooperatives. Estimated cost. Contact us at HR and Systems Limited for your quotation on this. We can assist you with the entire process. Call or WhatsApp +237 67787 5662. Number 4. Inspection and approval by MINADER. After submission, MINADER officials may inspect the cooperative's setup. If everything is in order, MINADER will issue a certificate of registration. Timeline. This approval process typically takes 1 to 2 months. Number 5. Open a cooperative bank account. Purpose. To legally manage the cooperative's financial operations. Actions. Open a bank account in the name of the credit union. Deposit the initial capital contributions from the members. Estimated cost. You can contact us at HR and Systems and we shall be able to give you a quotation. Call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen +237 67787 5662. We shall be there to assist you. Step 2. Registering with CAMCCUL. Number 1. Meet CAMCCUL membership requirements. 2 to 4 weeks. Purpose: ensure your cooperative meets CAMCCUL's standards before applying. Requirements: the cooperative must already be registered with MINADER, have sound financial operations and governance in place, maintain transparency in management, especially regarding savings and loans. Number 2, submit application to CAMCCUL, 2 to 3 weeks. Purpose: apply for membership with CAMCCUL to access additional support, training, and benefits. Documents: certificate of registration from MINADER, business plan, outline how the credit union operates and its financial sustainability, list of board of directors with detailed contact information, bylaws and articles of association for review by CAMCCUL. Submission: send your application to CAMCCUL's headquarters or nearest regional office. Number 3, CAMCCUL inspection and approval, 4 to 6 weeks. CAMCCUL may conduct an inspection to ensure the cooperative adheres to its standards. Upon approval, your cooperative will be granted membership and gain access to CAMCCUL's network of credit unions and resources. Timeline: CAMCCUL's approval typically takes 1 to 2 months. You can contact us at HR and Systems Limited for us to help you go through the entire process. Call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen: +237 677 87 5662. We shall help you go through the entire process. Now, let's look at the overall timeline. Founding General Assembly, 1 to 2 weeks. Drafting legal documents, 1 to 2 weeks. MINADER registration submission, 2 to 3 weeks. MINADER inspection and approval, 4 to 6 weeks. Open bank account, 1 week. CAMCCUL membership application, 2 to 3 weeks. CAMCCUL inspection and approval, 4 to 6 weeks. Total estimated time, 3 to 6 months. By following these steps, your Njangi group or family meeting can successfully register a financial cooperative credit union in Cameroon. First with MINADER and then with CAMCCUL for additional support. The process requires planning and adherence to both MINADER and CAMCCUL guidelines, but offers substantial benefits once completed. There you have it, guys. Those were the step-by-step procedures and timelines on how you can register a financial cooperative credit union in Cameroon from your family meeting on Njangi group. Hope this video was resourceful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share. If you need any assistance in any of these procedures, then you can contact us at HR and Systems Limited and we shall be there to assist you. Call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen: +237 677 87 5662. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.